पॉलिटिकल एक्टिविस्ट राजन डिमेलोन घाल्ले जनहित याचिकेचेर मंगळारा हायकोर्टात सुनावणी जाली। हायकोर्टान निरीक्षण केलां तें अशें, ईडीएम फेस्टिवल दर वर्सा गोंयांत जाता। सरकारान आदल्या फेस्टिवलाचे देणे क्लियर जातकूच क्लियरन्स दिवं येता। ईडीएम आयोजकांक आदल्या देण्यांक सरकार डेडलायन कित्याक दवरना? परसेप्ट लायव्हाची दुसरी सिस्टर कन्सर्न कंपनी परसेप्ट डिमार्कान गोंयांत लुसोफोनिया गेम्साक सुवाळो केल्लो तेन्ना सरकारान तांचे आडोवन धरिल्ले 2,28 लाख ते पयशे परसेप्टाच्या आदल्या देण्यांत एडजस्ट करता म्हूण परसेप्ट लायव्हान दिल्लो पर्याय हायकोर्टान मानून घेतलो।
The court had passed an order on the 22nd that Percept should deposit that certain amount which Percept owes, which the state government owes to Percept should be retained. To that effect, Percept today filed an affidavit to say that the amount can be adjusted, on the basis of which some 2 crores rupees has been is owed by the government to Percept. So that statement has been accepted and the amount will be adjusted towards the dues which Percept owes. So accordingly the petition is disposed of.
सरकारान क्लेम केल्ल्या बिलाक अपीलेट ऑथॉरिटी मुखार चॅलेंज दिल्या। ही केस 6 म्हयन्यां भितर तडीक लावची म्हूण हायकोर्टान ऑथॉरिटीक ऑर्डर दिल्या।
Besides this amount, there are certain amounts which are owed by Percept to the government. That is what has come in the proceedings. But those amounts are not admitted. The proceedings are, I believe, still going on in respect of that. So the court has said in that respect, the proceedings should be disposed of within a period of 6 months.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार।